Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set screen lock pattern password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to security and privacy, and here select lock screen and click on screen lock and click on pattern. Draw the pattern that you want to set. I have drawn this pattern. Click on continue. Again draw the same pattern to verify and click on confirm, and your pattern will be saved. Yes, pattern is set now, and it is asking you to whether to show content on the notification or not. If you would like to show, keep the settings as it is. Otherwise, if you want to hide the content over notification, hide the notification content over lock screen, you have to select second one. Okay, and then click on save. I would like to show content on lock screen. Okay, so I have selected the first one and click on done. Yes, screen lock pattern password is set now. To check screen lock pattern password, lock your screen and then try to open with your pattern that you set now. Yes, it's working very well. So you should have you should remember this password. Don't forget it. Okay, and this is your screen lock password hereafter. Okay, if you would like to change screen lock password, yes, you can change it later. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.